take a look at shares of GE right now. They're up about 5% pre-market on this news. Investors, Wall Street have been looking for this longer-term plan, this longer-term strategy to be unveiled for the last couple of months. Finally getting it this morning. A lot of headlines here. I'm just going to run through some of the biggest. GE of the future. GE says it's going to be aviation, power, and a renewable energy business. It's going to spin that GE healthcare unit into a standalone company over the next 12 to 18 months. It expects to monetize 20%, distribute the remaining 80% of that healthcare to shareholders tax-free. It also says it's going to fully separate GE Baker Hughes over the next 2 to 3 years. So that means exiting that 62.5% stake that it has had since that merger situation last year. Now, in terms of the dividend and the dividend plan, because that's been another big focus of Wall Street investors, plans to maintain current quarterly dividend through completion of healthcare separation. At that time, new GE Healthcare board will decide that company's dividend policy. Also, at that time, the GE board is expecting to adjust the GE dividend with a target dividend policy that is in line with industrial peers. Some other financial details here. Clear path to reduce industrial net debt by $25 billion. Also says going to focus on higher cash balances, less use of commercial paper, and also just want to point out GE Capital, because this has been an issue. It's been sort of a drag on the company and been an area where we've seen some unpleasant surprises, if you will, in recent months. Says further de-risking GE Capital, materially shrinking the balance sheet, assuming approximately $3 billion capital contribution to GE Capital in 2019. So this, of course, taking shape under CEO and Chairman John Flannery, just about a year after he came in and sort of took the helm. Investors have been looking for this for a while. We're going to be getting more details on an 8:30 investor call Eastern, and then John Flannery's coming on set on Squawk on the Street later this morning.
So if I own GE shares right now, if our viewers own GE shares right now, they will have a GE share and then also eventually a GE healthcare share.
It would appear that way. I expect to get a lot more details as the morning goes on, and I'll be bringing all of those headlines to our viewers as we do.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.